we are going to find VO, the potential difference at the output, when input is 3 volts, input is minus 5 volts, and input is 6 volts. So we know this is V out, and because this is a line, this is a wire equipotential, we know that this is also V out. I am going to name these nodes. I could say that this is B plus and B minus. This is an ideal operational amplifier. So we assume that B minus is exactly the same as B plus, ideally. And because this is B out, is in the same node, for this case, BO is equal to B plus equal to B minus. We know that there is no current. There is no current because the input is very high. So current I equal to 0, no current. There is also no current going inside this wire, inside the operational amplifier, but there is current flowing this way. Let's say I1 and I2. And it's the same path, so it's the same current. We could say that I1 is equal to I2. Let's define Bi minus B plus. So let's say Bi minus B plus over 40K, it's equal to B plus minus ground, that's 0, so just B plus, over 20K. I'm going to multiply by 40K at both sides. So 40K, just cancel out, and I multiply by 40K. 40K divided by 20K is 2. So I have 2 B plus is equal to Bi minus B plus. I'm going to add B plus to the other side. Bi is equal to 3B plus. And we know that B minus is equal to B plus equal to B out. So we actually have that Bi is equal to 3B out. And this is the relation between the input voltage and the output voltage. Now we have 3 different cases. Let's say if Vi is equal to 3 volts, for that case, Bi is equal to 3, we see 3 is equal to 3B out. So we divide by 3 at both sides, and we get that 1 volt is equal to B out. This is for the first case, when Bi is equal to 3 volts. Let's see the other case. What happened when Bi is equal to minus 5 volts? So minus 5 is equal to 3B out. Minus 5/3 is equal to B out. For our last case, when Bi is equal to 6 volts, we have that six is equal to 3B out. So we divide by 3, and we have that 2 volts is equal to B out. Okay guys, so we have the voltage for these 3 cases in this operational amplifier.